Welcome back, everyone, to another FYI DIY video. And today's video tutorial is going to be how to use your turn signal. I know a lot of you don't know what this little stick on the left side of the steering wheel does. And for most of us people that actually know how to drive, it indicates where we're going to turn. See that little flashing green arrow there? Yeah. So that little stick activates that green arrow, which activates the flashers on the rest of the car. So left means left and right means right. Apparently a lot of people have not grasped this concept. So hope this tip helps you guys out. Feel free to share this with everyone. It's another FYI DIY video. It's your man Charlie Anthony. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.